Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? I hope your day is going so well. Guys, I cannot keep this only to myself. Like, I have to share this good news to you guys, because why am I so blessed like this? Some of the things that I plan to get in the future, all these brands, they keep bringing them to my doorsteps at a platter of gold. Is that how they say it? At a platter of gold, or in a platter of gold? Guys, please see. I have a package here. You can see. And it's from Lux Midela collection. Before I open this package, I want to tell you guys something. So when I was pregnant with baby Blessing, a lot of people gifted me, and then I got this bag set. One is big and the other one is a little bit small. So I have been carrying the big one to church. It's a diaper bag basically. So I pack in diapers, my Bible is in there, my jotter, my hymn book, my baby food, basically mama and baby stuff, you know. But recently I've been planning to get a normal bag because Blessing has grown. She's no longer a baby, but I'm still going to church with that bag. So I think last week or maybe last month, I can't remember, but I was saying to myself that it's time to change to a normal bag because I can't continue with the diaper bag. And just last week, oh, this business owner contacted me and she was like, I would like you to model my bag. Or is it model? Advertise. You see this English, yeah? If you leave me, I would have preferred to use my dialect. But basically what I'm trying to say is that this person reached out to me without knowing that I've been planning to get all these normal madam handbags. And she sent it to me free of charge. Like, I didn't pay a dime. She only told me to go to the website and select the one I like. Like, miracle, they tire Jesus, oh. To bless the person, they tire Jesus, oh. He don't do one before, he still they do one again. Chai, miracle, they tire Jesus. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I was not expecting this to happen. So it came in this package. Okay, Lux Midela collection. Lux Midela. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and open this so we can see what the bag looks like. I've already seen it because obviously I'm the one that chose from the site, but I want you guys to also see it. So it also came in this white pouch. Is this a pouch? What is it? What is this called? Let me know in the comment section. So, hey, are you ready to see this? Guys, look. The quality. See now. See. You may kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride. Guys, see. Oh. See. It's a 3-in-1 bag. Guys, let me tell you something. These bags are so affordable. They are not on the high end. They are very much affordable. Now, here, you see, this is a purse, and this is like a pouch, or what is it called? I don't know. Again, let me know what this one is called in the comment section. And it came with a strap. There's a gift, a thank you gift here. It's a hairband. Keep that there. There is more. There is more. Hey, there is more. See. Wow. Wow. Daniela, this is so amazing. So you use this strap to carry this one in case you want to carry it on your shoulder. But if you want, you can also just hold it like this or in your armpits. This is so nice. My goodness. And this is the purse. Very simple, but oh, it feels so good. Let me check if there is something more here. Nothing more. And then the bigger one, so it has compartments inside. Compartments, right? This one has a zipper in here. You can put something here. You can put something here as well. There's another one in the middle. See that? And then there is these two little ones here. So again, this is what the bag looks like. You can see the detailing. It's super like so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. This is amazing. I love it. Like, wow. And with that strap, with this thing, you can even use it to carry this big one because the hooks are here. Here is one and here is the other one. Now let me tell you guys how you can get this. Okay, this is a small business that is still growing, but if you go on the site, you will see amazing bags. She sells t-shirts, wristwatches and some other accessories. So you can go to the site. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. I will also pin it in the comment section. Once you click on the link, it will take you straight to the site. There you can purchase any type of bag you want, like in different colors. They look so beautiful. Like, and the amazing thing again is that she is doing sales. You know, Black Friday is by the corner, right? But she has started sales on the 2nd of this month, and it will last through to 24th of this month. So do not waste time. Go and grab this beautiful opportunity. All right, just go and patronize her. Let's help her business grow. You know, this is called women supporting women. Let's support our own sister to grow her business. I believe you're going to love what you see there. All right, so yes guys, I'm going to pick my kids from school now because it's almost time. Like, I was about to get ready to go get the kids from school when this thing came in the mailbox. I almost forgot. She also added a thank you card. Like, once you purchase this bag, there will be a thank you card in it. Here is my own thank you card with these little gifts in it, which is so thoughtful and so amazing. And this sales is up to 40% off. Come on guys, 40%. Do you really want to miss this opportunity? Go there and check it out. Go and see things for yourself. I had to go with this color because me and black. I love black colors, honestly. And it has this a little touch of brown. Yes, brown color, and then this gold here, which is super lovely and beautiful. So when you go there, you will see this same bag in other colors, and you will see other types of bags, like different types, beautiful types. Thank you so much, Lux Midela, for this wonderful opportunity. It's a beautiful one and I appreciate this. Thank you so much. And guys, please don't forget to click the link in the description box or in the comment section. The first comment you will see under this video, click the link there and it will take you straight to the website so you can purchase yours. And she is also a YouTuber. Her channel name is Daniela Owusu. Daniela Owusu. I'm going to put it on the screen. You guys should go and check her out as well and let her know that I sent you. All right, she's doing amazing. She's a wife and a mom lifestyle vlogger, so go and check her out and then subscribe to her channel. All right guys, enjoy the rest of this vlog. I should come and do what?
Come here. Come.
Mommy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. I have pics on me.
I'm videoing you, Mommy. It's not a picture. It's just a video. I should video you. Ciao, Martina. My kitty angel. She wants me to picture her. Whenever I set up my camera, she thinks I'm always picturing her. Snapping you. I'll be taking a picture of you, whatever.
Let's come here. We go back.
Yeah, go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. We are at Favor Joshua and Caleb school now. I just picked Blessing, so let's wait here for Favor, Joshua and Caleb. And here is the beautiful mama that just left the house now. Oh my goodness, guys, the weather today is not even cold. I don't even know why I wore this. I started regretting it the moment I left the house. Honestly, I started regretting why I wore this jacket. That's my pretty angel. What is it? You want to stay with Martina? You don't want to stay with me? Okay. Wahala. Wahala. You want to stay like that? Guys, here are my munchkins. Hello guys. Hi. How was school today? Fine. It was good. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go back home. Look at their cuteness with their lunch bag. Yes.
I went to park.
You went to a park?
Yes.
You enjoy.
A lot of rice.
There were a lot of rice. You ate rice?
No, I said a lot of rice.
Flies.
Right. There were a lot of rice.
Right. Okay. RIDES. Right. Oh, I understand now. Don't mind me. Blessing, leave the bag now. Let's go. Let's go. You and your classmates. My cutie pies. I love their school bags. Super duper cute. See, these children, they keep telling me where they went to. They went to somewhere today where they played and got tired. I'm like, you people know they go school to study, or now they go there to enjoy. During our time, we are always studying. You will be forced to study. But here, they are always going to from one jita to another. Shebi is jita favor. Yes. You guys call it jita. I don't even know. Is it like a sightseeing or something? Every time they keep telling me they went. Una know they study. Na to they went to, na come here to they went. No be jealousy they cause this one, so I beg. Mommy, see you guys at home. Alright guys, so I'm already in the process. Before, I thought I should show you guys what I'm doing. So basically, as you can see, what I'm doing here is I'm making buns, Nigerian authentic buns. Like, come on guys, look at the buns now. So how this came about is that we had already eaten dinner. So we were just in the kitchen, I and my kids. My hubby is doing afternoon. So we were just in the kitchen, chatting, gisting and laughing. And then Joshua said something. He made mention of something related to buns. And then he remembered buns because he really loved buns. Like Joshua loved all this bakery stuff. You see, cake, buns, banana bread, all these bakery or pastries. So he was like, hey mommy, it's been a while you made buns. It's been a while. Meanwhile, I made buns how many times during summer period, and now he's saying that it's been a while. But he said, mommy, I wish I can eat buns now. So I was like, do you want buns? He said yes. I asked my other kids. They said yes as well. I went to the kitchen and started making buns. And this was at night, so you can see from the look of this video, you can tell that this was at night. Yeah, so we enjoyed it with coffee and whipped cream. Unfortunately, or fortunately rather, the whipped cream is finished, so I'm using the last part of it. This is my own portion, 2 buns, a tiny bit of whipped cream, and a full cup of black coffee with pig milk powder and sugar. You see this 3 combo, ebano, the best, absolutely delicious. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. See you all in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye bye.